LinkedIn is stupid. No, sorry. That's not really what I mean. What I mean is I have a love-hate relationship with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the premier social network for business people. 700 million members, they say. 61 million of those members are senior-level influencers who influence high-level business decisions. Okay, sounds great to me. But LinkedIn as a tool is so clunky. Here's an example. I was on a podcast just this week. Good for me. During the conversation, people posted comments and asked questions. Good for me. I wanted to respond to the comments. Now, LinkedIn is nice enough to send me a notification when I get a comment. Thank you, LinkedIn. So I click the link. I'm on the podcast page. Where's the comment you just told me about? Oh, so I have to scroll to the end of the podcast to see the comments. Well, thank you, LinkedIn. That's clunky. Okay, so when I finally find the comments, why are all of my replies at the bottom of the thread? Why isn't my reply directly underneath the comment I replied to? See what I'm saying? That's clunky. So I asked the podcast host, hey, do you have issues responding to the comments sometimes? He says, try the mobile app. So wait, I have to install the mobile app just to reply to a couple of comments? Nope, not doing it. That's clunky. Now, don't get me wrong. There are some things LinkedIn gets right. LinkedIn Messenger is solid. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is good, and it can be great if you know what you're doing. And I admit, a well-designed LinkedIn profile is important no matter what business you're in. But LinkedIn is and has always been clunky, and it's frustrating. Are you with me on this? What could LinkedIn make easier for you? Post a comment below, and please do your best to be constructive. I appreciate you for letting me express myself. Have an awesome day.